How to redeem footlocker gift card online. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to redeem your gift card or your on footlocker. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, open up your web browser and then simply search for footlocker and then hit enter. Now open up the first link that you see. It will take you directly to the Footlocker's official website. Now here, make sure that you are logged into your account. So from here you can just choose the item that you want to purchase. So I'm just going to tap on this one right here. And now you can select the size to add to cart. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on add to cart. So once the item has been added to the cart, so I'm just going to select my size and then tap on add to cart. Now once you head over to the checkout page here, you'll just have to enter all of your shipping address, and once you get to payment, you'll have an option to add for discounts, and there you can just enter the credit card or the amount that you want to purchase for. And then right below there you will have an option to add your gift card for discounts. So enter the gift card there and you should be able to redeem what's there for your gift card. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and I'll see you on the next video.